All right, guys, Josh is back 12 months after his multi-unit hair grafting procedure. Josh, how we doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, thanks. The old days. Josh is excited. March Madness coming up here in a couple of days. Josh played a bit of basketball back in the day. Let's have a look at this, guys. Look at this coverage. Outstanding. One procedure, multi-unit hair grafting. There he goes, showing us the before picture again. Wow. Got to be pretty excited, Josh, huh?
Oh, I love it.
It's awesome, man. And friends and family, reaction's been pretty positive?
Yep, they love it.
There's that before
Wife
picture.
especially.
There you go. That's important, of course. We're going to come back around to the front. Let's have a look and see how natural this is, guys. So we reframed the face and went all the way up to the midpoint. So all the way up to where you can see the thinning. You can see all the way up to the highest point on the top of his scalp. And this is all permanent, natural hair from one multi-unit hair grafting procedure. And as you can see, wearing his hair pretty short. Thank you, Josh. Wearing his hair pretty short in the back. It's about a 2.5 guard there, and you can see little suture line is under there. It's masked by the existing hair. We come up and over, look at that. It looks awesome. Josh, congratulations, my man. Very exciting.
Thank you, sir.
Very exciting.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.